Yo, what's up guys? Evo X Dad here. The reason why I'm making this video is because I just was editing my videos and I noticed that I really didn't get any footage for a reveal reel, so it wasn't really kind of a opening video of a reveal. And I just wanted to apologize because honestly, we didn't even get that much videos. We practically got there in Bakersfield really late, and it was just really bad because the sun was down. I couldn't really record. The camera quality was just too dark, so it was pointless to actually like how do I say it, put those videos in that edit. So I'm making this video right now to let you guys know. So basically what we did, we just picked up the car and we drove and came back to Fresno, took some pictures, so you guys will see that. And I raced the weird Chevy car. I don't know, we wanted to race anyway, so I gave him the gap. So I'm gonna go ahead and post those videos up, and by the time you see this, hopefully you guys like it. I did my best. It's I guess A for effort. Well, I'll see you guys in the video or in the clip or in the trim, in the edit, something like that. Anyways, peace out guys.
So we here with Henry.
Yo, what's up?
Evo X Henry. You know what I'm saying? We got the boy Carter, Subi Carter. Hey. So anyways, as you can see, we're heading to Bakersfield. We're out of Fresno, you know, repping Import Elevation. And Henry's gonna tell you what we're gonna do today.
Yo, what is up? So as you know, it's actually pronounced Evo X Dad. So I'm gonna go based off Evo X Dad because I'm a dad and I got an Evo. So by the time you're watching this video, my intro is gonna be just gonna show you my car. My car is obviously white. It's a white GSR Evo X. I made about 500 horsepower on it on a virtual dyno. I did a dyno pull on an actual dyno that read low numbers, so I went down below like 300, something around there. But when he did the virtual dyno, it came out to 500. Basically, what I have is just basically GTX 3071 turbo, 2 150s injectors, 525 Hellcat fuel pump, ETS intercooler, 3.5. You'll see it. You'll see the car by the time you see it. So basically what we're gonna do today is, as you know, it's gonna be an opening video for my YouTube channel, and we're gonna go ahead and go pick up my car. The reason why we're gonna go pick up my car is because I had just gotten it wrapped, and that's why I'm actually doing this video. So I'm gonna do a review of my car wrap. So right now we're heading to Bakersfield, and hopefully you guys like this. I haven't posted this up online. I haven't posted it up on Instagram, Facebook, and none of that. But hopefully you guys do like this video. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
First things first, function over form.
Function over form.
He did his performance first, now we're working on exterior and looks.
Yup. So
You're in for a surprise.
Yeah, you guys really are. So we're gonna, hopefully by the end of this video, and by the time I'm editing it, you'll get to see the way the car used to look, and then you're seeing this video, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the review on the Evo on how it looks now. And also we got a couple boxes in the back, as you can see, somewhere over there.
Right here. Hey, and remember, before we start showing you, like and subscribe. You already know what it is.
Yup, like and subscribe. Help me out. If you do like and subscribe, comment, see what else you guys want to see about the Evo. I am gonna do a fully built Evo. I'm trying to go 800 horsepower. I do gotta go to LA and pick up a motor and get that sleep. I don't know if I'm gonna do an open deck or closed deck. I don't really know.
I guess y'all will find out.
Yeah, you guys are gonna find out. And then after that, after I get that block built, I got my block that's coming out, and that's gonna be a spare block that's probably gonna be pushing at least 1400. I want to get a 1400 because I do got got a 66 turbo coming in. Fuck, this sun is so bright. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. We're heading to Bakersfield. See you guys in a bit.
So what's up? It looks better, Carter? What's going on? Okay. I see you, Scuba. All right, bro. What's your Instagram?
Forever.scuba. Get at me.
Hit him up for the wraps. Hurry up before he blows up. How you liking it, Henry?
It looks good, bro.
Yeah?
Honestly.
You satisfied?
I am.
What do you have to say about Scuba, man? Like, what do you think?
You did a good job. You did a good job.
Y'all gotta hit him up. I'm telling you, like, this looks like a whole new car.
Yeah, I mean,
You guys will see the before and after.
it's just time consuming. You know, you can't really have multiple jobs. That's the only thing. Is that his way?
We got my Evo. Just take it. Just you're off. No, just take it straight. Oh, I wonder if I can. Just take it. That's exactly what I wanted to bumper.
Oh, I got a fire ass video. 3.